So I decided to dermaplane my face myself, and I used the Chic Hydro Silk Dermaplaning Professional Wand. It gives it says it gives 7 skin benefits. So it gives you radiant skin. It removes fine hairs. It removes skin texture, smooths, softens, helps absorption. And some people, when they get dermaplaning done, they do it on dry skin. But I decided to use my Pharmacy Clean B Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser because it just helps with the dermaplaning. It's safer to me to do it on skin with a little bit of slip versus dry. So look at all the hair I've removed. That's just from one spot on my face. So dermaplaning really helps, make the makeup and the moisturizers go on your skin better. So now I'm just touching up my eyebrows a little bit. I really didn't take that much hair off, but it helps give your eyebrows a cleaner, fresher look. Now my face is going to be smooth as a baby's bottom.